Hello everyone, this is Gallon here, and I will be showing you our Advantech LoRaWAN I modules and gateway. Over here we have the WISE4610, WISE2200 and WISE6610. WISE4610 and WISE2200 are LoRaWAN I modules that are compatible with a wide range of I/O ports, and they also support the Modbus RTU protocol. They can be directly connected to sensors or meters for facility monitoring. WISE4610 has an external antenna that enables better penetration through concrete and steel. It comes with an optional solar charge battery support and GNSS, making it suitable for outdoor applications. The IP6 type enclosure provides robust protection against particles and water spray. Changing M12 connectors to terminal block can enable indoor applications as well. Now, the WISE2200 is a compact I/O module for indoor applications with a dimension of 71mm in width, 52mm in height, and 30mm in depth. It supports the Modbus RTU communication protocol and up to 128 addresses and 30 rule settings. It also has an RS485 for meter and sensor connections. As for the WISE6610, it is a high-performance, long-range wide area gateway that connects these two modules. It uses 3 different frequencies and redundancy-enhanced functions for continuous data transmission. DIN rail and wall mounting are also supported as well, and it also has enhanced memory for hosting software applications as well as Ethernet and I/O ports for expanded communication. Right now, we are currently having 25% off for these 3 items. This promotion will end on 31st March 2023. So if you are looking for I/O modules or gateway that's suitable for indoor and outdoor applications, do contact us through email and we will be there to assist you.